Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Privy for pop-ups and email capture on Shopify. Beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Shopify admin panel. From the admin dashboard, navigate to the Apps section. Click on the Visit Shopify App Store button. In the search bar, type Privy and hit Enter. Locate the Privy app in the search results and click on it. Click the Add App button on the Privy app page. You may be redirected back to your Shopify admin. Review the permissions that Privy requires and click Install App. After installation, you will be taken to the Privy dashboard. Create a free account by entering your email and setting a password. Verify your email address if prompted to do so. Once logged in, you will see a welcome screen introducing you to the features of Privy. Click on the Create New Campaign button to start setting up your pop-ups. Choose between different types of campaigns such as email capture forms or exit intent pop-ups. Select the template that fits your store's style and purpose. Customize the content of your pop-up by adding your branding, text, and images. Set up the email capture feature to collect visitor information. Decide on the display settings for your pop-up, including timing and triggers. After customizing, preview your pop-up to see how it looks. Once satisfied with the design, click on the Save button. Now, return to the Privy dashboard to check your campaign status. Ensure your campaign is enabled for it to appear on your Shopify store. Finally, visit your store's front end to see your newly created pop-up in action. Adjust settings if necessary to optimize performance and user experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.